Today I'm here to review this Sprite Tea that just came out. And then I'm going to actually do the, I think it's a TikTok trend, where you actually put tea bags into your Sprite and see if it tastes similar. I don't have any lemons, so I can't, it may not taste exactly the same. You can actually do it in the bottle, but you gotta either dump out or drink up to about here before you put the tea bags in. Okay, dump these a few times. I think you're supposed to leave this for like 10 minutes. Okay, let me try the Sprite Tea first. That doesn't taste much different than a regular Sprite. Okay, let's see if the tea bags in the regular Sprite have done anything. The tea bags won't sink to the bottom because all the carbonation, I think, is filling them with bubbles. Okay. Now this one actually starting to taste more like a iced tea with lemon. Maybe because some of the bubbles are gone. Only let it sit for like 7 minutes. I don't think this one tastes much like the tea part. Let's see, it has carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, natural flavors, citric acid, caramel color, sodium citrate, sodium benzoate, and potassium sorbate to protect taste. And if you drink the whole bottle, it's 230 calories. It says lemon lime and tea flavored soda with other natural flavors. No caffeine. You must have used a tea or tea flavoring that doesn't have caffeine. So if you do it this way, your caffeine will depend on how much caffeine is in your particular tea bag. So this one has carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, citric acid, natural flavors, sodium citrate, sodium benzoate. This one has caramel color, whereas this one obviously doesn't. So, and 230 calories is the same. So if you can't find your Sprite Tea, you could try doing it this way. It actually does taste better. I think this tastes more like tea than this one does. Like a carbonated tea. You can actually do it in the bottle. Like I said, take some of it out. And then you got to kind of squeeze your tea bags into the into the bottle itself. Cover it up. and then you're supposed to turn it upside down and leave it like that so that the tea bag kind of gets in the soda more. So yeah, I'd rather have my concoction better than this. I don't think it tastes much like tea at all. I think it tastes more lemony though, because I think they put more lemon flavors to make it taste more like tea with lemon. But you can do yours this way and add a slice of lemon or something in it. I think this tastes better though. So anyways, I think I'll give this one an A. I'm gonna give this one a B though, because I don't taste the tea part of it. It does taste like a Sprite though, so that part's okay. But yeah, doing it this way, I like it better. So anyways, I'm gonna take another sip and I'll see you in the next one.